Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am opening my very first Grove order. This is a monthly subscription. They have tons of sustainable and natural everything. So living, kitchen is what I mainly focused on today, like cleaning and other things that you need in the kitchen, but they also have makeup, like clean beauty products. So I'm really excited to get into their monthly orders. And this is all kitchen stuff. And I got a free kit with my order. So if I find that, I'll put it down below. This isn't sponsored. I might have an affiliate link by the time you're watching this, but I just ordered this and wanted to share. I've heard so many good things about Grove. Okay, I literally have not even looked at it. Okay, so packaging looks sustainable. I mean, nothing's plastic in there as far as that goes, so that's nice. I don't know if I can even remember everything I got for free, but I'll do a blog post with this so that you can see, I got a bunch of stuff for free, but this wasn't. This is my favorite brand for cleaner, bleach, and I haven't used their fabric softener yet, so I thought I would try it. This is lavender. Fresh lavender fabric softener. Their bleach works really, really well. It smells really good. But 7th Generation is a clean brand that I use and trust. Next, this was free. I'll save that for last. Toilet bowl cleaner. I was using before the Thrive Market one, which I like, but I just thought I'd try something different. I don't know the level of clean of this. I mean, it has citric acid to clean, which is good, but it does not have the ingredients listed. But anyways, Spearmint Method is that brand, and I actually used to use Method all the time. Okay, that was free. I don't know if this one was free or not. I don't think it was. So this is a hand soap. They have a bunch of their fall scents out already, and I'm really excited about that. But Mrs. Meyers is fragrance, so if you are you don't use anything with fragrance, you probably don't want to use this. Ooh, this is good. It's got a spice, but it's also super warm. Free. I don't think this was free. This is a hand sanitizer. I love these spray ones. You can never have too many. I like to keep one of those everywhere. That was free, I think. And this was free. Okay, I think the remaining of the items in here were free, which is crazy. I spent, I think, $25 for all of this. So this is a tissue, tree-free tissues. I wish I would have remembered because I just bought some tissues for school supplies and I could have used those. Tree-free compostable kitchen wipes. So you can compost these or just feel better about knowing that they are compostable. And then, sponges. So these are the ones I get, not from Grove, but I get these walnut scrubber sponges normally. I love them. And this was a free little sample. HelloFresh, we use this. This is the charcoal one, so it's really messy, FYI. And then this is a cleaning bottle. So this is what their ads are all about, is their cleaning stuff. And I think they're scent. So the scent is spiced pumpkin. I'm really excited about that. And oh, this is really cute. It says tub and tile on that side, but it's just a spray bottle, cleaning bottle. And then this is their concentrate. So it's multi-purpose cleaner concentrate. This is it comes in a 2-pack. This is the concentrate, which we already use these in Love, a concentrate, not the Grove. But this does say that it's paraben, phthalate, phosphate, formaldehyde, synthetic dye, ammonia, and bleach, and synthetic fragrance free. So it sounds really clean. I'm so excited. So you just dump this into here and fill it with water, and you have your cleaner. It's very sustainable. And even more so, this is, I think these are in a small thing because they're seasonal scents, but even getting a bigger concentrate would be obviously more sustainable. But this is something I wanted for a really long time. This is the Bubble Up soap dispenser. You've probably seen it, but it's basically a little bar soap, I believe, in this little jar. I guess I don't know if you use a bar or if you just use regular dish soap, but you bubble it up, it kind of springs, and you have your sponge or your little brush all soapy already. This is Full Circle brand. Yeah, so maybe this isn't what I was thinking, but you put the liquid soap in there. You could use a bar though, maybe too. Okay, and then the last thing that I got was this tree-free toilet paper. This was free too. I'm excited to try it. We use a couple other brands of tree-free, like bamboo paper products like this, so I'm excited to see how this compares. But it does look pretty thin, like, I don't know, looks like, actually it is 2-ply. It feels nice. It's really soft. I'll let you guys know how we like this, and the tissues and the wipes, and what else? Yeah, that was it. Okay, and then, oh, and the last thing, I forgot I ordered this. So this wasn't free, I added it to the order, but this is a bee wrap. So it's for reusable, like sealing things, or for storing things that you need to put in like the fridge. You can also use this in lunches. I got a 1-pack, but they have a bunch of different options. I've been searching for a long time for these, but they're kind of expensive. Oh, so it's like, has kind of a tacky texture, and it's very like, you can move it and shape it. So, oh, I think this is going to be really cool. Like, instead of saran wrap, you put this on the top. If you guys subscribe to Grove, let me know what your favorite things are. I'm excited to get into it. I think I might do like some clean beauty next time, but let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. You want to say hi? Bye.